Welcome, future psychologists, to another enlightening session where we decode the complexities of human behavior and mental processes. Today, we embark on a journey through ethical issues that inform and constrain research practices, an essential component of the AP Psychology curriculum. You're watching AP Television on YouTube, your premier destination for mastering AP Psychology. Hit subscribe and like to join our community and enhance your learning experience. Please pay attention to the target indicators. They will help you stay engaged and on target. This target is from Unit 1. It is Target 1F. The target reads as follows: differentiate types of research with regard to purpose, strengths, and weaknesses. This set of videos is broken into 6 videos based on the complexity of research methods, research design, experimental method, research method, statistical analysis, research ethics. Statistics stand as the cornerstone of psychological research, providing the means to discern patterns, validate theories, and forecast behaviors. This critical role stems from their ability to navigate through the inherent variability in human actions, revealing the fundamental truths that lie beneath. Our exploration spans various research methodologies: experimental, correlational, and observational, each distinguished by its strengths and weaknesses, unified by the indispensable role of statistical analysis. This journey into the realm of psychology and statistics unveils the complexity of human behavior and thought processes through a meticulous examination of core statistical concepts. At the heart of our statistical odyssey are descriptive statistics, the initial step in making sense of raw data. These statistics utilize measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode to succinctly summarize research findings. Additionally, they explore data variability, providing a glimpse into the spread of data points within a sample. This groundwork is essential, offering a detailed portrayal of study outcomes without inferring broader population characteristics. Descriptive statistics are pivotal, not just for summarizing data, but for revealing patterns and outliers, setting the stage for in-depth analysis. Inferential statistics extend our reach, allowing us to draw conclusions about larger populations from our samples. This branch of statistics applies complex methodologies to predict, infer, and generalize findings beyond the initial dataset. It's through inferential statistics that psychological research gains its power to validate hypotheses and elucidate relationships within the human psyche, thus bolstering the scientific foundation of the discipline. The measures of central tendency are indispensable tools within both descriptive and inferential realms, offering a concise summary of data. These measures, mean, median, and mode, serve as the backbone for data analysis, simplifying complex datasets into comprehensible insights. Their application spans various facets of psychological research, aiding in the evaluation of interventions and the exploration of cognitive processes. In conclusion, the integration of descriptive and inferential statistics in psychology transcends mere methodology. It bridges the gap between numerical data and profound insights into human nature, enabling researchers to decipher the complex web of human behavior and mental processes. Delving deeper into psychological data analysis, we uncover the critical roles of measures of variation and correlation, which shed light on the intricacies and interconnectedness of behaviors and mental processes. Variation is fundamental for understanding the diversity within data. Standard deviation and range are key metrics here. Standard deviation measures the spread of data points around the mean. A low value indicates consistency, while a high value points to wide variability. For instance, varied stress levels among students highlight the spectrum of responses to stress, from minimal to significant. Correlation examines the relationship between two variables, identified through the correlation coefficient, which ranges from -1, perfect negative correlation, to +1, perfect positive correlation. A value near 0 indicates no relationship. This concept is pivotal for identifying potential relationships, such as the link between study time and academic performance or sleep duration and tiredness. However, it's crucial to remember that correlation does not imply causation. Observing a correlation does not confirm one variable directly influences the other. These tools, standard deviation, range, and correlation, are invaluable in psychological research. They enable psychologists to evaluate consistency across phenomena, investigate variable relationships, and derive insightful conclusions on human behavior and mental processes. Applying these measures allows for a nuanced understanding of behavior, informing the development and assessment of mental health interventions. Exploring distributions and skews offers a window into the complex patterns underlying psychological data, enriching our understanding of human behavior and mental processes. Frequency distributions help organize data into categories, showcasing how scores distribute across different segments. The normal distribution is particularly significant in psychology, marked by its bell-shaped curve that is symmetrical around the mean. This distribution illustrates that most individuals' scores hover around the average, with fewer instances at either extreme applicable to phenomena like IQ scores and standardized test results. On the other hand, bimodal distributions reveal data with two prominent peaks, suggesting the presence of two dominant groups or responses within the dataset. Such patterns might emerge in studies evaluating responses to a psychological intervention, highlighting diverse participant reactions. Skews indicate data asymmetry, pointing to biases in how scores cluster. A positive skew suggests a data set with outliers or several high scores stretching the distribution's tail rightward. This pattern could represent income disparities within a population, where a large portion earns less, with a small fraction significantly above the average. Conversely, a negative skew reveals a tail leaning leftward, typical in datasets with low-value outliers. An example might include the age of onset for certain disorders, predominantly starting early, with fewer late-onset cases. The patterns these distributions and skews reveal are instrumental in deciphering psychological phenomena. Analyzing the distribution of depression scores, for instance, can unveil insights into depression's prevalence and expression, informing targeted therapeutic approaches. A pivotal concept we've encountered is the normal distribution, a bell-shaped curve that represents how traits, scores, or behaviors are dispersed in a population. The normal distribution is crucial for psychologists, encapsulating the principle that most individuals cluster around the average, with fewer individuals lying at the extremes. Understanding this distribution is key, especially when considering traits like intelligence. Another cornerstone of psychological research is statistical significance, which helps determine whether the results observed in a study are due to chance or reflect a true effect. This concept is vital when comparing the outcomes of experimental and control groups to understand if an intervention has a genuine impact. Statistical significance guides the interpretation of data, ensuring that psychologists can make reliable inferences about their research findings and, by extension, about the broader population. In sum, the journey through statistical analysis in psychology reveals the discipline's reliance on quantitative methods to validate theories, understand human diversity, and inform clinical practices. Statistics empower psychologists to sift through data, identify patterns, and draw conclusions that are both scientifically robust and profoundly impactful on mental health and well-being. As we've seen, whether it's through understanding the spread of scores in a normal distribution or evaluating the significance of research findings, statistics are indispensable in the pursuit of psychological knowledge and the betterment of human well-being. Reflect on the power of statistics in psychology and how these concepts open new vistas of understanding in our quest to comprehend the human mind. If you're intrigued by the intricate dance of numbers and theories, keep exploring, keep questioning. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share to journey further into the fascinating world of psychology with AP Television. Together, let's unlock more secrets of the human mind and behavior. Thanks for joining us through this exploration of different types of research with regard to purpose, strengths, and weaknesses. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so you know when new review videos are posted, and share to keep learning with us. Dive deeper into psychology with AP Television and uncover more about the human mind and behavior.